Let us talk about interest on drawings in today's video. A lot of you must have difficulty in remembering the average period on interest on drawings. So let us understand, let us try to address that problem. You must be trying so hard to by heart a lot of average period, beginning of quarter, end of every month, beginning of half yearly, end of half yearly, 4.5, 7.5. At what situation I should apply what average period? You must be struggling very hard to remember it. So you don't have to by heart at all. I will be exactly teaching you. There is a shortcut to so that you can arrive at the interest on drawings all by yourself. You don't have to remember the average period for one situation also. So stick with me in this video till the end. I will be walking you through the process in detail as to how interest on drawings average period is computed. So let us get into the video. As you can see, I am going to discuss all scenarios. You can see at the bottom of the screen, I have lots of sheets attached. I will be covering every scenario in detail. So interest on drawings is basically a penalty charged on the partner because the partner, when he introduces capital, should keep the capital stayed in the firm. If he keeps withdrawing money back in the name of drawings very frequently, the capital will not be left in the firm, and thereby overall firm will face a capital crunch, a cash crunch. So to make the partner avoid in taking more and more drawings, the firm charges interest on drawings on partner. Next question is, on what date the partner withdraws, how much the partner withdraws, how much interest on drawings should be charged on the partner. Therefore, you are classifying drawings in two different ways based on regularity and irregularity. There is something called regular drawings and irregular drawings. Irregular drawings are those where the amount of drawings will not be constant. Partner will be withdrawing 50,000 one day, then the second time he may withdraw 70,000, then the third time he may withdraw 30,000. And the dates of withdrawing will also be not consistent. Sometimes he will withdraw from 17th August, on sometimes he will withdraw on 30th November. So again, two inconsistencies you can find in irregular drawings. But if the both are in exact consistency, then they are called regular drawings, meaning amount of drawings is the same. Partner withdraws 50,000 every month, and frequency of drawings is also the same. Partner withdraws 50,000 at the beginning of every month or middle of every quarter. So there is a pattern to the drawings. In that situation, you have to use average period. Only in regular drawing situation we follow this average period method. Okay, so the average period method, the interest on drawings is computed as follows. Annual drawings, compute what is the total annual drawings, multiply it by rate of interest by 100 and divide it by average period and multiply it by average period by 12. So this average period is where a lot of you will have confusion. Now let us get into how this average period happens. Now let us take the first scenario. Partner withdraws a fixed number at the beginning of every month. That means, let us imagine partner withdraws 50,000 at the beginning of every month. Okay. On April 1st, he takes out 50,000. On May 1st, he takes out June, July, August, like that. On till 1st of March, he's taking 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. So in total, the partner has taken 6 lakh totally withdrawn. Okay, let this be one side. Now, how to compute average period is what we are discussing now. First, from date of each drawing, calculate how many outstanding months are there till the end of that financial year. Okay, so the first drawings he has done is on 1st April. From 1st of April till 31st March, how many months are outstanding? 12 months. Second drawings, how many months? 11 months. Third drawings, 10. So like this, the months will keep on reducing linearly. So after you plot all the outstanding months from each and every drawing, you have to bring your focus to the date of the first drawings and the occurrence of the date of the last drawings, and you just have to take the first number and the second number and you have to put a simple average of the same. So 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 2 is 6.5. So all your focus should be, first you have to find out how many drawings have happened and at what frequency it is happening. So at what date the first drawings would have happened and at what date the last drawings would have happened. So from those two drawings dates, how many months are there outstanding till 31st March 2025. So here 12, here 11. So once you have understood this concept, rest of every scenario will become extremely simple. Now let us go to the next scenario. What if the partner withdraws at the middle of every month? So if you talk about middle of every month, the date of drawings is 15th of March, 15th of April, 15th of May, 15th of June, July, August. So 15th of every month. So the first date of drawings is 15th April and the last date of drawing is 15th of March. So calculate how many months are outstanding from the date of first drawings and the date of last drawings. The answer is 11.5 and 0.5. Therefore 11.5 plus 0.5 by 2 is 6. Let's go to the next scenario. Partner withdraws at the end of every month. So the date of drawings will be 30th April, 31st May, June, July. It goes on till 31st March 2026. Again, focus on the first date of drawings and the last date of drawings. Again, you have 11 and 0.5 divided by 2, you get 5.5. Similarly, you go and forward with regarding each and every situation. So we have covered three monthly scenarios. Now let us move on to the quarterly scenarios. See, there are 4 quarters in a year. Every quarter every quarter has 3 months. So April, May, June, this is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. So when we talk about beginning of every quarter, the drawings would have taken place on 1st of April, 1st of July, 1st of October and 1st of January. So that's the date I have put here. So this is date of drawings. So date of drawings, 1st of April, 1st of July, 1st of October and 1st of January. So again, bring your focus on the first occurrence and the last occurrence. You have 12 and 3. So 12 plus 3 by 2, you have 7.5. So if the question says that partner withdraws at the beginning of every quarter, the average period is 7.5. So let's go to the next situation, middle of every quarter. So if you see the quarter, beginning of every quarter will be 1st of April, end of quarter will be 30th of June. So if you want to calculate the middle of every quarter, you have to pick right exactly at the middle. So it is 15th of May. So don't write 1st of May or 31st of May. So seen that way, every quarter middle, 15th of August, 15th of November, 15th of February. So those are the dates of drawings. So from 15th of May, how many months are left till end of March? 10.5 months. And from 15th of February, how many months are left? 1.5. Therefore 10.5 plus 1.5 by 2, you will get 12. 12 by 2 is average period 6. Next, end of every quarter. So 30th June, 30th September, 31st December, 31st March. 9 plus 0 by 2, 4.5. Okay, so the next type of scenario is the question will ask beginning of every half year. So you have to split the year into 2. April to September is first half year and October to March is the second half year. So the beginning of the first half year will be April and the second half year will be October. So only 2 drawings would have happened in that entire year. So first drawings on 1st April and the second drawings on 1st of October. So 12 months outstanding from 1st April, 6 months outstanding from 1st of October. Therefore 12 plus 6 by 2, 18 by 2, you get 9, the average period. Next, second, end of every half year period. End of every half year period, again, first half year is September and the second half year is March if they talk about the end. Therefore, from 30th September, outstanding months, 6 months. From 31st March, outstanding months is 0. Therefore, 6 plus 3 by 2, it is 3. Let's get a little innovative here. What if the question says that the partner withdraws at the middle of every half year? At the middle of every half year, let us imagine what if the question comes that way. So middle of every half year, let us plot the half years first. So middle of every half year, this is the first half year. What will be the middle? 30th of June, isn't it? So the first drawings would have happened on 30th of June. And what is the second half year? October to March. What is the right middle of second half year? Which is 31st December. Therefore, let me write 31st December 2025. Okay, now compute how many months are there from 30th June till 31st March 2025. So you will have 9 months. Here you have 3 months. So January, February, March, you have 3 months. Here you have 9 months until March. So average period will be 9 plus 3 by 2. The answer will be 12 by 2. Again, you have 6 months is the average period. So you don't have to panic if you forget average period. Just plot the calendar and figure out the date of drawings, and from there you'll be easily be able to calculate the outstanding months. And once you calculate outstanding months, average period computation is pretty easy. Now there are 2 more scenarios. Let us quickly see them. Sometimes the question will say the partner withdrew at the beginning of every month in the first half year ended 30th September. Or the question will say the partner withdrew at the beginning of every month in the first half year ended 30th September, and similarly end of every month. So do not consider this as monthly drawings done for 12 months. No, the partner withdrew only for 6 months, and those 6 months were the first 6 months. So in that situation, partner has done totally 6 drawings. The first drawings happened on 1st April 2025, and the last drawings happened on 1st September itself. From October till March, the partner has not done drawings at all. So in that situation, the average period computation will be 12 plus 7 by 2, 9.5 months. Similarly, if the question says that middle of every month in the half year ended 30th September, then it is computed this way, 11.5 till 6.5. And if the question said that end of every month in the half year ended 30th September 2025, the answer is 11 months and 6 months. 11 plus 6 by 2, 8.5 months. Middle, 11.5 by 6.5, it is 9. Let us talk about the last scenario. Beginning of every month in the second half year of the year ended 31st March 2026. So you can see the second half year runs from October to March. That means the partner has not done any drawings from April till September. So the drawing itself starts only from 1st of October. So from 1st October, November, December, every beginning of every month for 6 months. Therefore, 6 plus 1 by 2. 3.5 months average period. Similarly, you have 15th October till 15th March, 5.5 months, and 0.5 months. 5.5 plus 0.5 by 2, you will get 6 by 2, 3 months average period. And similarly, end of every month in the half yearly ending 31st March 2026. First drawings will be at 31st October, 5 months outstanding. The last drawings will be at 31st March. So you have 0 months outstanding. 5 plus 0 by 2, 2.5 average period. 2 more scenarios, last scenarios. If the question doesn't say the duration of drawings clearly, then you have to take the average period to be 6 months. Do not forget that the question will say the partner withdrew 1 lakh during the year. It will not say at what date, beginning, monthly or end of quarter or half yearly drawings. It won't say. If the question doesn't say the duration of drawings, the average period is 6 months. And if the rate of interest on drawings does not contain per annum after percentage, then the average period is 12 months, or there is no average period. So you have to compute flat percentage against the total drawings. Let's say the question says that the partner withdrew 2 lakhs during the year and the rate of interest on drawings is 7% flat. The question doesn't say per annum. So you don't have to worry about the drawings period at all. So you just have to simply apply 7% on 2 lakhs. The answer will be 14,000. That is your interest on drawings. Do not worry about average period. So we have covered all scenarios here. You can see beginning of month, middle of month, end of month, beginning of every quarter, middle of every quarter, end of every quarter, and beginning of every half year, middle of end of every half year. We have also covered middle of every half year, and beginning of the first every month in the first half year, middle of every month in the first half year, end of every month in the first half year, and similarly beginning of every month in the second half year, middle and end of second half year. And we have also covered two miscellaneous situations where there is no duration given in that situation, and no per annum given in that situation also we have covered. So I hope you understood this lecture. I hope it was of use to you. So do not even try to compute average, do not even try to remember average period anymore. You can compute it ready made in the exam hall. So I really wish you all the best in solving interest on drawing question. So let me know your thoughts about this video on the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.